In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine names in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a guest list, creating mailing labels, or simply trying to declutter a spreadsheet, mastering this skill can really streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Sheets. You can either start a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you have your list of names. If you're starting fresh, just head over to Google Sheets and select Blank to create a new sheet. If you're opening an existing file, locate it in your Google Drive and click on it to access the document. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to select a cell where you want the combined names to appear. It's usually a good idea to pick a cell that's to the right of your existing data to keep things tidy. Simply click on the cell to select it. Now for the key part, entering the formula. In your selected cell, you'll type the formula to combine the names. The formula you'll use is simply concatenate. So you'll type an equal sign followed by concatenate, then an open parenthesis. In this example, we're going to assume that one name is listed in cell A1 and the other in B1. Therefore, the exact format you'll type will be x concatenate A1 B1. Remember to include the quotation marks and space in between so there's a space separating the first and last name. This little trick ensures that your combined names won't be crunched together. With your formula written out, go ahead and press the Enter key. Your selected cell should now display the combined names from cells A1 and B1, formatted exactly as you'd like them to appear. To save time when dealing with a list of names, you'll want to apply this formula to the entire column. Instead of typing the formula repeatedly, use Google Sheets' handy autofill feature. To do this, click back on the cell with the formula. You'll notice a small blue square at the bottom right corner of this cell. Click and drag this square down the column to automatically apply the formula to the other rows. This action will fill every cell in the column with the combined names from corresponding rows in columns A and B. And that's it. You've combined names in Google Sheets with just a few simple steps. You can now easily manage your list efficiently. Don't forget, practicing this method a couple of times will make it second nature. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.